Okay, the next one, no, the management of drugs, no. So here, no, again, Coca-Cola, if we weigh scales, yeah, the 1 liter is equivalent to 1 kilograms, by which this is the gasoline of drugs. Hip, yeah, on the right hip, by which na fracture man siya, and then months, no, nga, sus limit, there's about LOM, limitation of motion, and then start na siya atrophy ni gamay ang muscles, yeah, by which they never concentrated on the hip injury, no, in which maybe something I don't know, their practitioner, in which the most important thing is the hip, no, the hip must injured, so restore the gasoline, by which this one, yeah, again this is our first.
Ay, ko na ko focus.
Oh, ano lang. Jack, okay, up jack and hold to 10 seconds, yeah, okay, hold 10 seconds, start now, okay, 1, 2, 3, count jack, 4, 5, okay, hold, yeah, okay, okay, good, 9, 10, okay, again, just, okay, relax, okay, just again, that's the gasoline, the muscles, and joints, that's 1 kilogram, and then for how many treatment sessions, by next sessions, we increase to 1 kilogram, we increase, this is your gasoline of your hip, okay, in your brain, this is a gun, this is 3.8 caliber gun, small gun, then until we arrive in the Armalite, in which 5 kilograms, okay? So just, we do it 2 sets, yeah? Stay up. Okay, hold 10 seconds, start. 1, count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, please.
Wala na ka ano siya, primero gakorog.
Thank you, yeah?
Gakorog primero.
Again, this is the gasoline of the hip muscles, yeah? Which today is about the 1 kilogram, no? Again, just like a Sylvester Stallone movie, no? The Rocky 5, by which Ivan Drago is sophisticated, but Sylvester Stallone is about the bottle of Coca-Cola, yeah? In which we, in the weighing scale, is about 1 kilograms. So again, that's the gasoline just on the hip. Then the next is about we have to concentrate on the anterior side, then the left the medial side, then the lateral, then the back, the anti-gravity muscles. For the 3 treatment session, we just focus on the hip injury on the right, yeah. Again, just all our management, Jack. But for today, yeah, again, we increase. This is the gasoline by which si Japs makadagan na og marathon, no? By which maabot siya of 6 kilograms. Then, by 5 to 10, included on the left, no? By which, that's the uniqueness of our brain, by which appeal nato siya. Again, thank you and good day, yeah.